Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Many people actually bought this tablet during Big Billion Day sale at a price point of 29 to 31,000 price bracket. But currently the price of this tablet is very high, so people are asking me about the best price of this tablet. Some users are asking me whether they can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE at a price point of 39,000 rupees. The answer is no, you should not buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE at a price point of 39,000 rupees because the price is very high. But there is no guarantee that you will get great discounts in Christmas sale. But it may be expected that you may get this tablet to buy at around 32 to 33,000 rupees during Christmas sale. Actually, the sellers of Flipkart increase the price at the time of sale, and those people who don't know about the exact or best pricing of any tablet, they end up buying these tablets at a higher price tag. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE is a very good tablet. The display is gorgeous and also you will have note-taking experience. So for a student's perspective, it is a very good option under the price bracket of 30,000 or around 30,000 rupees. This tablet comes with LCD screen, yet you will get very good color reproduction as it is a display from Samsung. So multimedia consumption on this tablet is top-notch. Samsung offers very good features during screen recording. At the time of recording the screen, you can write anything on the screen. That is a very handy feature for teachers. Also, there are lots of productivity options. Using the S Pen, you can take notes and many other features are there, and Samsung Notes are very feature rich, so you can make use of these features. And if you are a teacher or a student, in that case you will thoroughly enjoy the writing experience on this tablet. As this tablet comes with Exynos 1580 processor, you cannot expect high-end gaming or high-end video editing from this tablet. So in the conclusion, if you are looking for a all-round performance tablet, in that case you can consider Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, but you should consider the price. If you get this tablet under 30,000 price bracket, only then you can make the purchase. Otherwise, you should wait for another tablet. As this tablet was launched in 2025, there is no problem in terms of software updates. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are interested to buy this tablet or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.